Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Moto Edge 50 Fusion and opening the right menu. Make sure the phone has at least 20% battery and is unlocked. This avoids interruptions when changing system settings. Once ready, open Settings and tap Display. You do this because Always On Display integrates with power and security, and outdated OS can hide options. If the update is pending, install it now, then return to Display to continue. This prevents missing controls and keeps the settings stable. You toggle Always On Display on and immediately pick a schedule that suits you. Always On drains more battery, while sunset to sunrise saves power. Then customize what appears. Select a clock, notification icons, and date so the screen shows useful info at a glance. Make sure to adjust the AOD brightness and timeout to balance visibility versus battery life. If you want interactive previews, enable lock screen access for notifications. Doing so gives quick context without fully waking the phone. You finish by testing the changes. Lock the phone and confirm the Always On Display shows your chosen clock and notifications. If it does not appear, toggle AOD off and on, then restart the phone to reload system services. This often fixes minor glitches. Make sure display permissions and battery optimization exemptions allow AOD to run. If problems persist, reset display settings or clear the system cache to remove corrupted data. Contact Motorola support only if you suspect a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.